What's up, everybody? Are you looking to boost your income through digital marketing? If you're not using the internet to grow your business, you're leaving cash on the table. Today, we'll explore 10 effective strategies to increase your earnings. So, buckle up and let's get down to business. Let's be real for a minute. Digital marketing isn't always sunshine and rainbows. Many jump in thinking they'll get rich quick, but end up lost and frustrated. They're making classic mistakes. You can't just post on Instagram once a month and expect results. Be relentless, put in the work daily. Algorithms change, platforms evolve, be ready to pivot and adjust your strategies. We'll break it down so you can avoid these pitfalls and come out on top. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the key to unlocking a flood of free, organic traffic to your website. Imagine people searching for what you offer and finding your website at the top of Google. That's SEO. Use relevant keywords, build quality backlinks, and create valuable content to climb the rankings and watch your traffic soar. SEO is like having prime real estate on the internet. Trust me, SEO is a game changer. Look, you're probably already scrolling through Instagram and Facebook every day anyway, so why not make them work for you? Social media marketing is all about connecting with your audience, building relationships, and yes, driving sales. Use stories, go live, run contests, get creative and have fun with it. Remember, social media is all about building relationships. Provide value, be authentic, and watch your engagement skyrocket. I know what you're thinking. Email is dead, right? Wrong. Email marketing is still one of the most effective ways to drive sales, but you gotta make your emails stand out from the clutter. No one wants to read boring, generic emails. Give them value, exclusive content, special offers, personalized recommendations, and don't forget to segment your audience. Content is king, baby. In the digital world, valuable content is your currency. Create and share informative, engaging content to attract your ideal customers. The key is to provide real value. Think about what your audience wants to learn. When you create helpful content, they'll keep coming back for more. Listen, organic reach is great, but sometimes you need a boost. That's where PPC comes in. With PPC, you're paying to get your site in front of people. The key is to be strategic. Choose the right keywords, target the right audience, and craft compelling ad copy. Done right, PPC can be a goldmine for your business. Ever heard of passive income? Affiliate marketing is the ultimate way to earn money while you sleep. It's simple. You promote other people's products or services, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. Be genuine, be helpful, and watch the commissions roll in. Video is exploding right now. People are consuming more video content than ever before. Whether it's TikTok or YouTube, video connects with your audience deeply. Be engaging, informative, and entertaining. Your smartphone is all you need to start. Influencer marketing is like word-of-mouth marketing on steroids. Partner with influencers in your niche to boost brand awareness, drive traffic, and generate sales. Choose influencers who align with your brand values, have an engaged audience, and create high-quality content. Collaborate to create content that resonates with both audiences. Data is your best friend, folks. In the world of digital marketing, you can't just rely on gut feelings. By analyzing your website traffic, social media engagement, email open rates, and other key metrics, you can gain valuable insights into what's working, what's not, and how you can improve your results. Trust me, data analytics is the secret sauce to unlocking exponential growth in your business. There you have it, 10 powerful digital marketing strategies to boost your earnings in 2023. Success in digital marketing doesn't happen overnight. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to adapt. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these strategies today. Let's crush it together.